Hey guys, this is Uncle Chris, and isn't this a cute little Easter cake? Want to see how I made it? Stay tuned.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
La la la. Me. Okay. All right, nieces and nephews, the first thing you're going to do is bake your cake. Now, you can use an already made cake, but for this specific one, I'm making my own because I had a ton of cake mix. And this will show you how I make my Reese's cake. All my decorations. This is what you're going to need. Listen, I got these from the dollar store. This cute little bunny. Look at the cute little bunny. These adorable Easter eggs. 2 boxes of them, okay? All from the dollar store, or I should say the $1.25 store. Now this I did not get from the dollar store, but it was very inexpensive, and I got it from, well, a store. It's a mart, and it has walls. That's all I'm going to say. Not sponsored, but if they want to sponsor me, you know they can. This is so lucky I found this edible grass. It is green apple and banana flavor. You can find this in the store, okay? And of course, you're going to need your frosting. You're also going to need about 4 or 5 tablespoons of peanut butter. That's going to be the middle flavor. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to take some of your chocolate frosting, about a heaping scoop like that, okay? Put that right in your peanut butter, all right? We're going to mix this together real good, okay? Because this is going to be your middle frosting, filling, so to speak. And this is going to give it like a fudgy type of taste. It's so good. Okay, let me stop. I digress. See that? I'm going to try my best using this spatula to decorate this cake. Now, one thing also, you want to stir up your frostings before you start, because that way they're easier to spread, okay? Oh, yeah. Okay. How's everybody doing for Easter? Write down below what you're cooking. Let me know. Inquiring minds want to know. Yes, put this generously in the middle of your cake, okay? We'll take your next layer of cake. I'll put it on top. I'm trying to keep that as even as possible. Okay. Now, like I said, you want to keep your frosting kind of stirred up so it's easier to spread. And don't worry about if some peanut butter gets in it. It's all right. It's a Reese's cake. Okay? Yes, I'm going to put all this frosting on the top. Because guess what it's going to do? Go right down the sides. Now, if you turn your cake a little bit while you're spreading it, it's a little easier for this to go down. Now, you see how that gap is right there? Because the cake is uneven. Can you see that? Don't worry about it. Fill it with frosting. They won't? No. And besides, everybody loves frosting. Trust me. That's right. Keep turning it and painting it the best you can. Now look, can I make a real fancy cake that looks like it was, bought in the store? Yes, I can. But do I want to for this channel? No, I don't. Reason being, I want this to be something that everybody can make. Just boom, boom, boom. It don't have to be perfect. Perfection is an idea and not a really good one either. Okay? Now, you want your holidays to be fun. You want your cooking time to be fun. You want your family time to be fun, not a stressful time. Okay? Now, all right. So basically, I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup here, just so that it looks decent on the bottom, okay? But basically, we have our cake frosted. I was going to do it off camera, but no. Take a wet paper towel. Go around and clean up your cake as best you can, you know. Once you use the wet one, now you can use a dry one, and it won't stick because it'll absorb the water that's already there. Okay, we'll get it decent. Our edible grass, open this up. I'm gonna pull this out. Got the little bunnies there, that's kind of cute. Now mine, I'm gonna do like this because I want it to look like a nest. So I'm gonna break half. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, now we're gonna thin this down. On the top, we're gonna go around. Okay. Just like that. A little more on the sides. Hey, y'all, it took me forever to figure out how to get that bunny up out of here. Take your little chocolate bunny, put him in the center, press him down, okay? Okay, just like that. Now, we're gonna take the Easter eggs, a little Reese's Easter eggs, and we're gonna pour them around the nest. Extra to take off. I'm gonna clean this up so it looks a little better. Uh-oh, you're getting away from me. Okay. Put these in. All right. Put them in the nest. Put this around. Put this around. Now, let's take some of the extra. We're going to ball it up and crunch it and tear it. And we're going to put it right around the cake in strategic spots like this. Oh, a few here, a few in back. Boy, am I making a big old mess. Now remember, we're just having fun, y'all. This is not supposed to be perfect. Stick a few on the cake real quick, like that. Let's put some more around the bottom, on the side and the back. And you have this crazy old Easter cake. Remember, this is fun for the kids, y'all. Okay? Of course, this is not supposed to be perfect. But this helps if you're on a low budget and whatnot. You can still have some fun on Easter, okay? I think it's cute. All right, y'all. Okay, guys. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Write me at Uncle Chris the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com, okay? Happy Easter. I'm still eating this.